Nokia Steel HR Review. 2016 was the year we saw the hybrid smartwatch flourish, and in 2017, the Nokia Steel HR wants to prove that smart analog watches can also pack a real fitness tracking punch. An upgrade to the Activité Steel, the big new feature is the optical heart rate monitor, which aims to make the watch a better, more useful day-to-day fitness tracker. Nokia Steel HR design. The Steel HR borrows its form from the Activité Steel, which impressed in our review at the start of last year. The HR comes in two sizes, a 36mm case and larger 40mm version, with both available in black and the smaller model also offering a white option. A stainless steel case moats a face which manages to hold a lot of information while still retaining a classic, uncluttered look. There are two sub-dials, a digital circle on top and an analog one below, and both are used to deliver the watch's smart features. The Steel HR is impressively light, with a silicone strap that's comfortable to wear both casually and during sweaty exercise. There are other straps to choose from, including other ones that will fit nicely with the classic look, but won't be so good for running with. Nokia Steel HR features. The Steel HR is packed with a lot of features bound together by Nokia's impressively comprehensive app. If you want to use the watch as a mere step tracker, calorie burner, it does that effectively enough, but it also monitors your heart rate continuously through the day, tracks overall distance traveled, and, with a long press of the button, becomes a running watch to track distance and heart rate zones. Nokia accomplishes a shrewd compromise of smart and analog, even with a small and limited monochrome display. Pressing the single button on the right of the face will let you scroll through the different information circles that can be added, removed or reordered in the app, including the date, alarm, battery, your current heart rate, calories burned, steps counted so far that day and overall distance traveled. There's also a digital clock should you wake in the night and want to check the time. With the heart rate tracker now on board, the Steel HR is also better equipped for runners. The watch automatically detects swimming, running and a bunch of other sports including basketball and tennis, but you can start a training session manually with a long press of the button. The watch is water resistant to 5 atm, so you'll have no problem swimming, although you won't get heart rate data in the water, just distance and calories burned. Nokia Steel HR app and battery life. Nokia has been building on its HealthMate app for a while now, and it's turned into a really great portal for your daily fitness metrics. In fact, it even won a wearable award last year for Health and Fitness Platform of the Year. All the numbers and colors can be a little overwhelming at first, and I reckon Nokia could tidy up the daily reports a bit, but it really drills down into your daily activity, while badges, goals and tips help keep the motivation going. At around 25 days, battery life is another of the Steel HR's strong suits. That figure is given by Nokia for when you're using the watch with continuous heart rate monitoring, but you'll get another 20 days of step tracking even once that's over. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you next on the other R videos.